Kia ora whānau, Nia here. I just thought I would do a video for our new whānau that have joined us in our crypto gardening. So I'm not a financial service advisor. I'm just doing this video for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is just what I have found and what I understand from crypto gardening and what I have learnt from Shelley Cullen. Okay, and maybe some of the stuff I say might not be exactly what she said, but it's just my take on how I perceive things that she has said as well. So go to your guys' CoinGecko, and if you're brand spanking new, you don't know what to do, what I say to people is to get yourself some Ethereum, because if you go into your guys' Trust wallet and use Uniswap, okay, well that wallet's a bit pōhara. Let's go to our main one. Okay, so when you want to start your crypto gardening, I always say go to your get some Ethereum from CoinSpot or Coinbase and transfer it to your guys' Trust wallet. And if your iPhone, you would need to import your Trust wallet into your IM token. Okay, there should be a video on doing that. And then, you can go to your dApps and you can pretty much swap anything with Ethereum, okay? You guys, go to your Ethereum and you guys can pretty much swap anything for Ethereum in Uniswap if it operates on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so if you're brand spanking new, get yourself some Ethereum, get you a Trust wallet or IM token if you're using an iPhone, and then start using Uniswap to buy your guys' coins. Why do I say that? Because if you're using CoinSpot or Coinbase, you guys, or even Easy Crypto and Coinbase don't actually hold tokens, whereas Coinbase does. But if you do your crypto gardening off CoinSpot and say you only buy $5 of something, you're not going to meet the minimum requirement to be able to get it off that website and put it into your Trust wallet. That's why I say to get Ethereum and put it into your Trust wallet, so you can buy your $5 worth of coins, $6, $10. You're able to use small amounts to start your crypto gardening anyway. Okay, so that's what I mean with your guys' crypto gardening. Get yourself some ETH, transfer it into your Trust wallet. This is how I learned how to do things, and then use your Uniswap. And I always just use 0.0125, which is about $6 or $7. Okay, so Ethereum, get your guys self for iCurrency app. It's really important. 0.0125 Ethereum, $6, $6.60. All right. So you'll go to your Trust wallet, 0.0125, and then you'll choose your token, whether it's Donut, Hot, Maddox, Mana, Engine, whatever you guys want to buy. So that's what I say to you whānau that are starting out. You guys want to buy the coins that are in the top 30. Okay, they'll change, and you guys want to buy when they're all in the red. If they're in the green, you don't want to buy them. Okay, and if you're doing Uniswap, hopefully this allows me to do it. Okay, if you're using Uniswap, you guys want to make sure this part here is in the green. If it's in the red, you don't want to Uniswap that coin at that time. Okay, just something that I've learned as well. Okay, so we've covered to start your crypto gardening, just choose coins that are in your top 30, okay? And, I'm not too sure if I've covered this, but I'll cover it again. Always do your research. So Chainlink, if you're getting yourself some Chainlink, click on the info next to the portfolio along here, and then you can have a read about what Chainlink does. So Chainlink simply connects smart contracts to the outside world, and with Hex2T, a lot of people are buying up Hex2T at the moment. Hex2T actually increases the rewards for staking. So you can go to the info and read about that, okay? And so on and so forth. So what you want to do is you want to buy the coins that are in the red in your top 30. All right. And another question that's been asked is, how do we make profit? Okay, let's use XRP for an example. Okay, so XRP is about 25 cents at the moment. Okay, so let me go to my, so XRP is at 25 cents, right? And say you've got $100 worth. Okay, you've got $100 worth, and then XRP goes skyrocketing. Okay, goes skyrocketing. It goes to how many dollars for it? I don't know, $10. It goes to how many dollars, and your profit of your XRP that you've brought has gone up to $200. Okay, so how you guys make your or how you guys hold on to your profits is you put it into a stable coin. Okay, we call this stable coin USD. You've got USD Tether, you've got DAI. So I've just made $200 profit. What I want to do is put it into a stable coin, which is normally USD Tether. I want to put that profit I've just made, well, it's $100, right? Because I had $100 worth. And I've just made another extra 100. So I want to swap that into USD Tether. So I've swapped it. Oh, crikeys. Okay, so I've got $100 worth of XRP. The XRP has gone up. So I've made $200 now, which gives me $100 profit, right? So what I do is I put that $100 profit into USD Tether. Why? Because it's a stable coin. It won't lose its value. So when the XRP drops down again, say, and I've gone back down to my $100 worth of XRP, I've made my profit because I've swapped it into a stable coin. My profit still stays at $100. Okay, and then what I do is I go back and I buy more XRP when the XRP is in the red. So that's another way you guys can do your guys' profit, or that's the way that I do our profit, is I wait for the coin to go up, and then once I've made my profit, I'll change it into a stable coin, which is USD Tether or DAI. There's heaps of other ones out there. And then when the coin drops again, I either go buy some more XRP or I buy some other coins. Okay, so that's another way you guys can do your guys' profit. Or what you can do, another thing is people are getting confused. They feel like they have to buy all these coins, but not really. You know, if you've got your main coins like we have with our Trust Wallet, you know, we've got our main coins, we've got Tron, we've got donuts. You guys don't have to keep buying different coins. What you guys can do is you guys can buy more of Tron, more of donuts, more of UMA or Engine Coin, you know, the ones that are staying in those top 30s, so that your profit isn't, you know, you're not just buying $2 worth of something. You've got $300 worth. You've got $1,000 worth. So when that coin goes boom, man, that $1,000 turns into $2,000 or $3,000, and then you guys swap it into a stable coin and use that profit to buy more coins. You know what I mean? So I feel like I've covered all the bases. What coins do you buy? You buy the ones that are in the top 30. You only buy the ones that are when they turn into red. That's what they talk about going to the markets. I've talked about profits. So if you've made a profit of $100, change it into a stable coin so that when the price goes back down, you guys are able to buy more of that same coin or different coin, and that's how you guys make profit on it. Or you guys just keep buying more of the same coins that are in the top 30, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys have got something from that. I know it's a bit of a long video to watch. I try to keep them short and sweet, but make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we drop a new video, you guys can get notified straight away. Mō ore, and have a good night.